So let's go. Today we are going to start our geography session. In the previous video we started this lesson, land, soil, water and natural vegetations, and we learnt about the introduction of this lesson, and today's session we are going to learn about the land. So dear students, you know very well the usages of land, how important land is. Okay, without land we can't think like we can survive here. Okay, so here in this today's session we are going to see about the usages of the land, how we should have to conserve the land. These points are very important. So before we go ahead, let me know one thing, that how much percent of the land is covered on the earth area. You know very well, on our earth 71% of water is there and 29% of land is there. So we can say like that our earth covers 30% of land. Okay, we use 30% of land. Among that, we use this land for our living purpose. We use this land for our agriculture purpose. We use this land for the industrial purpose. There are so many kinds of usages of land. Okay, so in today's session we'll see few points of regarding the land. So let me inform you about that. We have 30% of our Earth's area which covers land. Okay, among that, very less land we use for our agriculture. So let me inform you about that. Not only for the agriculture, we use the land for the forestry and for the mining purpose. These are the very important usages of the land. Not only for that, we live in the buildings. So for the building the houses, for the building the homes, we require land. Okay, and one more thing is there, without land we cannot live. So these are some usages of the land. So now next point is about the some common properties are there, some private properties are there regarding the land. So if you are thinking about, if we go in any nation, we can say like that there are some common properties are there and some private properties there. Suppose I have one part of a land, so that is private property of mine one. Okay, some common property is there. Suppose one play park is there, so you can see that in the park many people come there. Okay, so it is a private so we can't say like that the parks are the private. Okay, so parks are there, parks are known as common properties. So land is utilized for the common properties and land is also utilized for the private property. So land is very important for human beings. So next point is that conservation of the land. How should we conserve the land? So if we want to conserve the land, what do we require, dear students? We have to save the land. How should we save the land? We should have to plant more and more trees. It's known as afforestation. If we plant more and more trees, what will happen? It saves the land. Okay, we should not leave our industrial wastage on the land. Otherwise, what will happen? It will make desert, and we can't use that land for the agriculture purpose. So, dear students, if we conserve the land, so it will be beneficial for the next generation. So in the today's session we learnt about that how much area of earth covered by the land. So the answer is 30%. Next point we learnt what are the usages of the land. The usages of the land, we use the land for the agriculture purpose, we use the land for the forestation, we use the land for the building purpose, we use the land for the properties. So next point we learnt in the today's video that what are the two kinds of the properties. One is a private property and other is a private property and other is a common property. We learned about it. Okay, for example, parks are there, it comes in the common properties, and houses, they come in the private properties. And next point we learned very important, that how should we conserve the land. We should have to conserve the land by the forestation. We should have to take care of the land. Means for the next generation they can use this land for the agriculture purpose. Okay, so these are some important points in today's video. So this is enough information about the land. In the next video, we will see about the information about the soil. Thank you for attending today's class.